Good day everyone. Today we will tackle about the phosphorus cycle. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to define phosphorus as well as its cycle. We will be able to understand the process of phosphorus cycle, how the phosphorus function, and lastly, to know its importance. So first, let us identify what phosphorus is. So, phosphorus is a fundamental chemical element that plays a crucial role in various biological processes. Like in nature, phosphorus is found in many forms, such as phosphate minerals and organic compounds. In our body, phosphorus is a vital component of our DNA, RNA, and ATP, which is the primary source of energy for cells. So, in simple terms, phosphorus is an element that supports life's fundamental functions and has a diverse application in different areas of human activities. And now let's move to the other elements that are present in phosphorus cycle. The phosphorus cycle involves several other elements that interact and participate in the cycling process. Alongside phosphorus, the cycle includes elements such as carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen. Carbon is essential for the formation of organic compounds, including phosphorus-containing molecules. Nitrogen is involved in the synthesis of nucleic acid and proteins, which are crucial for the transfer and utilization of phosphorus in organisms. Oxygen and hydrogen are components of water, which serves as a medium for the movement of phosphorus and other nutrients within ecosystems. With elements interact synergistically, playing roles in the biochemical transformations, transportations, and availability of phosphorus throughout the cycle. And now let us go to the process of phosphorus cycle. The phosphorus cycle is the biogeochemical process that describes how phosphorus moves through different compartments of the earth. The cycle begins with weathering, where phosphate rocks on land break down into soluble forms due to natural processes like erosion. This dissolved phosphorus enters water bodies through runoff and is absorbed by aquatic plants and algae during the process called assimilation. As plants and algae grow, they incorporate phosphorus into their tissues. When these organisms die or are consumed by other organisms, the phosphorus is passed along the food chain. Through decomposition, the organic matter releases phosphorus back into the environment, either directly to the soil or water bodies. So, in soil, the phosphorus can become bound to minerals and undergo a process called immobilization. Over time, geological processes such as uplift and erosion can expose these phosphorus-rich rocks, restarting the cycle. In aquatic systems, phosphorus can also accumulate in sediments over long periods. Through geological processes, these sediments can be uplifted and become new phosphorus sources for the land ecosystem. And in human activities such as agriculture and the use of fertilizers, can disrupt the natural phosphorus cycle by introducing excessive amounts of phosphorus into water bodies, leading to eutrophication and harmful algal blooms. So overall, the phosphorus cycle is essential for maintaining the availability of phosphorus, a crucial nutrient for all living organisms, and it highlights the interconnectedness between different Earth systems. The steps of phosphorus cycle. First is weathering, then absorption by plants, absorption by animals, and return to the environment through decomposition. Now let's move to the function of the phosphorus cycle. So phosphorus travel through the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and the biosphere. The health of the soil's microbial population and the growth of the plants and animals both depend on the phosphorus, which is gradually lost from the soil over time. It also plays a crucial role in the structure of genetic material, the function of cells, cell membranes, and the development of bones and teeth. Now let's move on to the importance of the phosphorus cycle. The phosphorus cycle is of utmost important for maintaining life on Earth. Phosphorus is needed for the growth, maintenance, and repair of all tissues and cells, and for the production of the genetic building blocks, DNA and RNA. Phosphorus is also needed to help balance and use other vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, iodine, magnesium, and zinc. Phosphorus is one of the major plant nutrients in the soil. It is a constituent of plant cells, essential for cell division and development of the growing tip of the plant. For this reason, it is vital for seedlings and young plants. Therefore, understanding and preserving the phosphorus cycle is crucial for sustainable agriculture, ecosystem health, and overall balance of the biosphere. And that's all. Thank you for listening.